how do you put these boundaries in place that can protect you in a way that allows you to still thrive at your workplace? Because maybe this is where you're going to be for the next 20 years, 15 years, 10 years, and you want to be there. But how do you be there and give your all, but still have the proper walls up that doesn't create a toxic work environment from your angle?
So think about this. A lot of times, if you are 10, 15 years in work in the same position, you need to push yourself somewhere else. Because so now the way in the book, the book that I wrote, I described 3 stages of resilience. And one of the first stages is survival. The next step is adaptation. And the next step is thriving. You don't want to be in survival mode 100% all the time, because that's what is dangerous for ourselves. We're in this survival mode, and then it's just horrible. So the key here is at the beginning, okay, I'm going to survive this guy, but now how can I adapt? And then we can, sometimes, there is a fantastic book by Ryan Holiday. It's called the Obstacle is the Way. And the idea is that sometimes the manipulator is a way for us to see things from a different perspective so we can adapt. You see what I'm saying? So always say, you don't want to solve for the manipulator. You want to solve for higher that works for you, something else that works for you better. So you adapt and then you thrive. It's like, okay, so looking back at my own experience, a lot of times, the way I see it is that I don't want to succeed despite of the bad, but because of the bad thing that happened to me.